Hello, kids, and welcome to my channel. Today, we will learn to read words with the sound. E, R, er. Words with the letters U, R, sound Hurt, turn, curl, nurse, purple, Thursday, Saturday, burp. It's your turn. Words with the letters U, R, sound Amazing! Words with the letters I, R, sound girl, shirt, skirt, first, third, 30, birth, dirt. Now it's your turn. Words with the letters I, R, sound Awesome! Words with the letters E, R, sound her, verb, better, after, letter, never, over, under. It's your turn now. Words with the letters E, R, sound Good job! Words with the letters E, A, R, sound learn, heard, early, search, pearl, earth, research, yearn. It's your turn. Words with the letters E, A, R, sound Good job! Words with the letters O, R, sound word, world, worse, work, worth, worship, artwork, workman. It's your turn now. Words with the letters O, R, sound Well done! Congratulations, kids! Keep up the good job and thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye-bye.